Hello everyone, welcome back to the Spanish classroom, aula de español o clase de español. Today we are going to work into questioning or questions, right? How we can use the words in Spanish to ask questions, to questioning people, what they do, how, when, and what, right? Okay, let's jump into, and we are here in questioning, preguntando. ¿Qué, cuál, cuáles, dónde, cómo, cuántos, cuántas? ¿Qué, what, cuál, which, cuáles, which ones is the plural. Remember that the S at the end. Cuáles. ¿Dónde, where, cómo, how. So remember that we used to work with cómo, but cómo from eat, comer. Now is cómo. If you notice the intonation mark on top of the first syllables is cómo, how, cuántos, how many for masculine things or male things, or cuántas for female words. We are going to work that, and it will be better for you to take note so you can understand what's going on or how to use it properly. All right? Okay, let's jump into qué, cuál, cuáles, dónde, cómo, cuántos, cuántas. Right? Preguntando. ¿Qué? What? But it's not only what. Right? You can use it in many ways. ¿Qué? For example, ¿qué tal? I'm sure you hear already. ¿Qué tal? What's up? ¿Y qué? So what? Y is and, right? ¿Qué? Is what? So, ¿y qué? So what? Actually, ¿y qué? When you say ¿y qué? It's a bit rude. It sounds a little bit rude, but it's good for you to know when someone asking you or someone reply to you in this way. ¿Y qué? So what? ¿Qué es? What is? ¿Qué es? What is? ¿Qué haces? What you do. Don't confuse with ¿qué estás haciendo? What are you doing? This one is ¿qué haces? Very simple one. What do you do? Depend of the country or depend of the area, how you ask, right? It can sound okay, but some people can sound like, why you are so busy buddy asking me what I do? ¿Qué haces? But that's, you will notice by the face of the person, right? Another way to communicate is when we show our face, or when you talk to the people and they reply to you, the expression on the face. ¿Qué haces? What do you do? Is a nice way to ask, but ¿qué haces? What do you do? Okay, next one. ¿Qué dices? What do you say? ¿Qué piensas? What do you think? Then, ¿qué estás haciendo? What are you doing? So if you notice here, haciendo, NDO, right? It's not the same like the first one. To do the NDO, first you need to use another verb, the verb to be. ¿Qué estás haciendo? Again, ¿qué dices? What do you say? ¿Qué piensas? What do you think? ¿Qué estás haciendo? What are you doing? Preguntando. Next one. Preguntando. ¿Qué? ¿Qué pasa? What happened? Right? Again, it depends how you use the intonation. It will sound good or will sound in a bad way. ¿Qué pasa? It depends how you put the intonation on how you say it. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? What happened? ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó? Pasó is a past tense of pasa, right? So it's like what happened just now, at this moment. It's a simple past tense. All right? Then again, preguntando, ¿cuál? Which one? ¿Cuál es? ¿Cuál? Which one? ¿Cuál es? Which one is in that sense, right? ¿Cuál es? Siguiente. Next one. ¿Cuál prefieres? Which you prefer? ¿Cuál te gusta? Which you like? ¿Cuál es tu dirección? Which is your address? All right? So now, direction, remember that direction can be direction or can be used also as address. Where is your address? Or which one is your address, right? If you need to fill up a form or someone is asking you where you live, the way they will asking you is, ¿cuál es tu dirección? It's not actually asking you in which direction you are going. Simple asking you which one is your address, the place where you live, or the street. ¿Cuál es tu dirección? ¿Cuál prefieres? Which one prefer? ¿Cuál te gusta? Which one you like it? ¿Cuál es tu dirección? Which one is your address? Siguiente. Preguntando, questioning. ¿Cuál prefieres? Which one you prefer? But in plural. ¿Cuáles prefieres? So that means you have many options and you have to pick more than one option. Right? ¿Cuáles prefieres? So you can say, prefiero este, many of them. You can choose many of them. ¿Cuáles son tus amigos? Which ones are your friends? So my friends are, mis amigos son Pedro, José, Andrea, María, Ana, and so forth. ¿Cuáles ciudades has visitado? So which cities has you visit? He visitado Singapore, Kuala Lumpur, Jakarta, Vietnam, Hong Kong, and so forth. Oh, Vietnam is not a city. It's a country, of course. Ho Chi Minh, and so forth. Then, ¿dónde? We work in where. ¿Dónde es o dónde está? ¿Dónde es? Where is? So, when you ask ¿dónde es? Where is? You refer to a place quite far, right? ¿Dónde es el concierto? Where is the concert? Right? If you're asking you for a place. ¿Dónde es el partido de fútbol? Where is the football match? Right? You need to indicate a place. ¿Dónde está? Which means in an area, in the position. For example, the car key. Right? You asking, ¿dónde está las llaves del coche? Where are the car key? So you can say, encima de la mesa, arriba de la mesa, on the table, on top of the table. ¿Dónde es la boda? For example, where is the wedding? So where is the wedding? It's in a place, but where? Where is? So you can tell, es en la iglesia, es en la casa, it's in the church, it's in the house. So this one is when you use where is, ¿dónde es la boda? And then when you use ¿dónde está? Again, where is the book? ¿Dónde está el libro? El libro está en el estante. El libro está en la mesa. So forth. Again. Continuamos. Let's continue with preguntando, questioning. Another way, ¿dónde es el concierto? ¿Dónde está el estadio? Right? So now you can notice better the difference ¿dónde es? Between ¿dónde está? So, ¿dónde es el concierto? It's something that is happening now. Where is the concert? And you can tell, el concierto es en el estadio. The concert is in the stadium. And the person will asking you, ¿dónde está el estadio? Where is the stadium? And then you can give a direction, an address, and how to reach to the stadium, or you can say where is the area, ¿dónde está el área del estadio? Where the estadio is located. Am I right? Can you understand? Okay, let's continue. How? ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? This one we were working already on the beginning of the book, so I'm sure you are very well knowledge in this question. ¿Cómo te llamas? How do you call yourself? If people are asking me many times, how's the direct translation, right? But in this sense, you need to interpret it. So it's asking you about your name. ¿Cómo te llamas? How do you call yourself? But in a sense, it's also, what's your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo estás? How are you? ¿Cómo lo haces? How do you do? Or, yeah, how do you do? ¿Cómo lo haces? O cómo haces as well. You can skip the lo, or you can ask directly cómo haces. How do you do? ¿Cómo lo haces? So the small difference is ¿cómo haces? Is how do you do that you wake up every day very early? Or ¿cómo lo haces? Is show me how you do something, right? Like fix something or do any kind of skill. That's the small differences. Again, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo lo haces? Preguntando. ¿Cómo? How? How? ¿Cómo? ¿Cómo es tu ciudad? You can ask also. How is your city? But in this sense, ¿cómo es tu ciudad? Is asking you how it looks like. It's big, small, building, clean, not clean. Can be also about the weather and so forth. If it's big. Another way to use cómo es, ¿cómo está tu familia? How is your family? Is a nice way to ask someone how they doing with the family. When you greeting them, when you greet people, you say, hola, ¿qué tal? If you remember about the family, you can ask them, ¿cómo está tu familia? How is your family? Now, ¿cuántos? ¿Cuántas? How many? For female things, for things, or for male things, female or male things. ¿Cuántos? ¿Cuántas? And you can use it in that way. ¿Cuántos años tienes? Now, why you use cuántos años? Because años sounds like a masculine or male word, and then you use cuántos años tienes. Remember that in Spanish language, we do have female or male genders. ¿Cuántos años tienes? Remember that in Spanish also, when you ask about the age, you ask them how many years they have, not how many years they are. So you need to use the verb have, tienes. ¿Cuántos años tienes? Or if you use the end of the next noun, amigas, finishing as, is a female word, so you need to use cuántas amigas tienes. ¿Cuántas amigas tienes? ¿Cuántos años tienes? ¿Cuántos huevos hay en una docena? How many eggs there are in a dozen? ¿Cuántas naranjas hay en una decena? How many oranges you find in the decena? How do you say in English decena? Forgot now. So, ¿cuántos huevos hay? How many eggs there are? ¿Cuántas naranjas hay? How many oranges there are? So, right? Again, huevos, finish huevos with OS. ¿Cuántos? Then, ¿cuántas? You use naranjas. Naranjas finish with AS. Naranjas. All right. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the next video in the Spanish classroom. Adiós. Chao, chao.